Dear children, it is an example question. How to do using this cross multiplication method, or we can say an alternate method. See, there are many questions in the alternate method. We can tell the answers orally because the questions are of this type. Suppose ax plus by is equal to a square plus b square, x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Such questions, when you use the method, more number of steps you need to do, but when you pay concentration and attention, you will get the answer very easily, because such questions they have the answer x is equal to a, y is equal to b. Sometimes x is equal to 1 by a, y is equal to 1 by b. Sometimes x is equal to a square, y is equal to b square. Such answers are possible. That is why trial and error method, if you use, it's in fact answer or the solution for this type of equations is hardly, it takes a few seconds. Here x is equal to a, y is equal to b for this pair. For this pair, x is equal to 1 by a and y is equal to 1 by b. See this. Now, let us have application question. This a pair of linear equations. Let us solve by using the alternate method which we have learned. Here, if the equation is given in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, the constant is on the right side, then first and foremost thing, we have to shift the constant from RHS to LHS in the method which we have learned. Here 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. In the alternate method, let's write the coefficients. There are some mistakes. Children, frequently they make the mistake. Here, we want the y coefficient. Y coefficient is 1. Never write y. Y coefficient is 1. Here the x coefficient is 2. Never write 2x. Here the constant is minus 5. Okay, constant there is no problem. But while writing the coefficient of y and coefficient of x and y, you should not write only their coefficients. Here 1, minus 5, 2 and 1. This is 2, minus 8, 3 and 2. In between first and second x, second and third y. In between third and fourth 1. Here first product arrow mark, second product के लिए there is no arrow mark. Here x upon y upon and 1 upon. First product 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Second product के लिए keep ready the bracket. Here the first product minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 15. And keep the bracket ready for the second product. Here constant 1 divided by 2 into 2, 4 minus the bracket. Directly we can write also 1 into minus 8 minus 8. Minus 8 के बाद bracket 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus the bracket minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. This is x divided by minus 8 minus of minus 10 is a plus 10. Y divided by minus 15 minus of minus 16 is a plus 16 is equal to y divided by 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This implies x divided by 2 is equal to y divided by 1 is equal to constant. Sorry, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 only. Suppose if you do cross multiplication between x by 2 and 1, this gives x is equal to 2. When you do cross multiplication between y by 1 and 1, y is equal to 1. We say solution. Normally we have the habit of writing answer at the end, but keep it in your mind. Equation के लिए always we write solution at the end, whether it is linear equation in one variable or linear equation in two variables or quadratic equation, whatever it is, an equation is asked to solve, we will write at the end solution. But there are some applications. it is an application of linear equation into variables, or an application of quadratic equation, or some other application of any equation, there we will write the answer. By finding the answer in the application questions, therefore the fraction is equal to whatever it is. Therefore the age of son is equal to age of father is equal to. Therefore the 2-digit number is equal to. In that kind of application questions we will write answer. But normally for the equation we will get solution at the end. Please keep in your mind. Thank you.